This video is sponsored by Famoid.com, the best way to get social media followers in just one click. Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel Tech Lenses. This video is on how to root any Android using Magisk. For this, you must have unlocked bootloader. Watch your video to know how you can unlock your phone's bootloader. After that, make sure you have installed custom recovery on your phone. Watch your video to know how you can do that. Once you have done the mentioned two steps, open your favorite browser and go to Magisk Manager website. Direct link of this website is given in the description, so you can check out the description for the direct link. Once the website gets loaded completely, make sure you are at the download page. Now scroll down a bit, you will find Magisk Manager APK. Click on it to download. On the next page, download will start automatically. Wait for the download to get completed. Once the download gets completed, exit that tab and scroll down again on the main tab of Magisk Manager. You will find Magisk Manager zip file, click on it to download. Once the download gets completed, connect your phone with your computer and copy the downloaded files on your phone's storage. You can create a new folder on your phone storage for this purpose. After all have been done, power off your Android phone and boot it into recovery mode. Please note that every phone manufacturer has a different method to boot their device into recovery mode, so contact your device manufacturer or Google it to know how you can boot your device into recovery mode. Once you have booted your device into recovery mode, click Install and select storage where you have copied your files. After that, go inside that folder. After that, click on the Magisk zip file and swipe right to confirm installation. It is recommended to wipe cache and delete cache. After doing all that, reboot your phone. Once you have booted your device, you may find Magisk app in your app drawer. If you don't, there is nothing to worry. Just install the previously downloaded Magisk app on your phone. Once you have installed the Magisk Manager app, open it and enable your internet connection to check for the latest update. As you can see, we are currently on the latest build. You can install the latest build by clicking the install button and then choosing the recommended direct install method. So we hope you like this video. Please do like and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe us for the upcoming videos. If you have anything to ask regarding this video, please ask us in the comment section. This is Kunal signing off. Thanks for watching.